One of my new favorite things to make is biscotti. I love making them because you can control how hard or soft you want them to be. This Vanilla Cinnamon Biscotti with cinnamon and cardamom icing is one of my new favorite biscotti recipes. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Start by creaming the butter and sugar using a hand or stand mixer until it is well combined. Add in the vanilla extract and continue mixing. And then add in the eggs. Add in the flour a little at a time. Add in the cinnamon, salt, and baking powder and continue to mix. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and sprinkle some flour in the middle of the pan. Shape the dough into one long log. If you find it hard to shape the dough, add some flour to your hands to prevent the dough from sticking. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Remove the tray from the oven and let sit for 10 minutes, and reduce the oven temperature to 275 degrees. Slice the loaf and then place the biscotti on their side. Place the tray back in the oven for 10 minutes and then flip the biscotti onto their other side and bake again for another 10 minutes. If you would like a more crispy biscotti, then bake for 20 minutes per side. Add the confectioner sugar to a bowl and add the water and mix. Add the cinnamon and a pinch of cardamom and mix until combined. If the icing is too thick, add more water, and if it's too thin, add more confectioner sugar. Spoon the icing into a plastic sandwich bag and cut a corner of the bag off and drizzle the icing over the biscottis. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.